morning, boys and girls, and moms and dads and staff. Slightly different chapel today. The chapel is really under the maple tree, which is what we spoke about last time. So this morning's the 27th, and I thought a very short message to you in the form of a little assembly, a mini assembly. And I've chosen to sit here because it's the maple tree, and also that literally just up there, of course, we know there are a whole lot of forts that are built. So my message, in fact, is very, very short. It's not even a story, and it consists of a challenge. And so my challenge to you today, boys and girls, is this. I'm sure that a lot of you are missing building forts. So what do I want from you? I want some photographs of forts. If you've built forts in your bedroom, or if you've built a fort in your lounge or outside, that maybe you've tented outside, I want some photographs. I'm wanting you to get mom and dad to send those photographs to me. They know my number, they can email it or WhatsApp it. And the second challenge that I want you to do for me is I want you to tell me why you like building forts. And as I say, we are blessed to be in the wonderful part of the world where we can build forts. So tell me why that is that you want to build forts and you like building forts. The third thing that I just want you to think about, and you don't have to answer me at all, is when you get back here, where are you going to build your fort? That's the important thing that I want you to do, is to continue building your forts, whether you're down in the bamboo fields or the bamboo forests in the primary or pre-primary JP, or whether it's up in the forests over here. I want you to really continue building your forts and having fun and using your imagination. I want to just acknowledge a few birthdays, so I'm going to put my glasses on so I can read, and we've had a number of people, so literally the birthdays that I'm going to be talking and wishing people happy birthday about. And as I play, what you will hear is you're going to hear Miss Carlett's Far Away. I got her to play the birthday song, so you'll hear the birthday song coming on as I read or after I've read. And I'm imagining giving the badge out over here to you as well. So this is the badge that you would have got at assembly. But I'm looking at the dates from the 27th of April until the 3rd of May. And these are the people who are going to be celebrating their birthdays. So tomorrow, which is the 28th, we've got Reese Kalika in Double Nought. In grade 1, we've got Tate Spencer on the 28th as well. And on the 30th, we've got Harry Lepart. And then on the 2nd, we've got Akona Alwa in grade 6 who has her birthday as well. We've got some staff who've got birthdays. So just a few days before. And yeah, we've got Ethel coming here. Ethel and Stanley are still very much running around and chasing all sorts of little things. So yeah, they come. They're part of the scene. And we have got some staff. Hala, Mr. Nkulu on the 24th. Mrs. Flashek, Mrs. Laura Flashek on the 26th of April. Miss Carlitz, appropriately, she has played her own birthday song on the 29th of April. And then Mrs. Bissett on the 30th of April. So we wish them every best wish for their birthday. And again, we're entering our second week of the online learning. And just to remember, boys and girls, that the work is there for you to do. If you don't finish that work, your parents and your teachers will be saying to you, don't worry, let's keep going till tomorrow or the next day or whatever. But remember, Clifton is still here. We are sitting out in a wonderful day. The lawns have all been mowed and the school is looking beautiful. And all it needs is you and our school. And so I'm just going to quickly close in prayer and a short prayer and wish you well for the rest of the week. And so, Lord, we just thank you for the time that we have. We thank you that we have got a school. We thank you for the fact that we've got teachers who are producing lessons for us and who are helping us. We thank you for our moms and dads and our grannies and our grandpas and our other people around us who are helping us. And so, Lord, we ask that as the second week we enter our lockdown, and learning online and at home, that you just give us the strength in which to deal with all of these things that are being asked of us. We know, Lord, that you're in control and that you're bigger than all of these things. And we claim this in your precious and your holy name. Amen.